Darling, I miss you so much. I wish you were here with me if I do not say good morning to you every day. I will not feel well because you are the main piece in my life. Jigsaw puzzle. I love you, darling. I never believed in love at first sight until I saw you every cell in my body. Knew you were the one, and with each passing day I fall in love more and more. The more I know about you, the deeper you become embedded in my heart. I am certain that I will love you even more in the future when I wake up and see your smile. It's like the sun rising in my heart. Your presence brightens up every moment, and I cannot help but feel grateful for having you in my life. My love, I'm thinking of how this Christmas is going to be. You really have to do fast and get your membership form, so I will come over there and take you with me so we can do this December together.